Okay, we're going to take a little Flitz. I'll let you hold the ring.
Okay.
I'm going to put a little, just go ahead and hold it in your hands. Okay, just hold it. I'm going to put a little polish in here first. What we're doing here, say, Neil, we're going to put a little Flitz in a cloth like this. And I'm going to spread it around. I'm going to take your gold ring here.
Okay.
And we'll show you how you can actually polish it and bring it back to life. Just simply rub it on. Oh my gosh.
Look at all that's coming off of there.
Neil.
Jeez.
How often you wash your hands, man?
Don't show my wife.
Oh, no wonder. It smells like ice cream. Too much ice cream truck here, Neil. So once you get that black residue off, take a soft tissue and just buff right back up.
Look at that thing
Look at that
glow.
difference.
So you can noticeable.
Your wife, you did that just for her.
Oh yeah,
That's
totally.
right.
Yeah.
Brownie points. Brownie points.
For hours too, definitely.
Yes. And you can see this done on white gold,
What a difference.
yellow gold, or sterling silver.
Ooh.